This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Gary Bunting. Well-maintained brick ranch in quiet Merrifields neighborhood. Most systems in the home recently replaced. New lifetime roof with transferable warranty installed August 10, 2020. New Trane HVAC with 17 SEER, 2-stage air conditioning and gas heat, including all new ductwork, with transferable warranty installed January 2020. General Electric dry boost dishwasher with third rack and bottle jets installed 2019. Kitchen renovated 2015. Large backyard with 6 privacy fence that was installed in 2016. Beautiful hardwood floors. Fresh paint throughout. Must see to appreciate. For more information, review the details below.